To begin the proceedings and also to tell you more about that, may I please welcome on stage Mr. Vipul Mitra, IAS and Principal Secretary, Tourism and Civil Aviation, Government of Gujarat, to kindly come up and share a few words with us. Sir, please.
Honorable Minister Shri Jananand Vyas, Chairman Tourism Corporation of Gujarat, Shri Kamlesh Patel, Regional Director, Ministry of Tourism, Roma Singh, friends, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Government of Gujarat, I welcome all of you to this roadshow and presentation on Saputara and the monsoon festival of Saputara. Government of Gujarat has given a big emphasis to develop Saputara as Gujarat's own hill station. Last 2 years, under the guidance of our Minister, Shri Vyas, a lot of development has been happening in the hill station. There has been a lot of infrastructural upgradation which has happened in Saputara. We are creating a lake which is twice the size of the existing lake, and that will be a major attraction the moment it is completed. We are also showcasing Saputara this year as part of our campaign with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, who is the brand ambassador. It is one of the selected places to be showcased in this year's phase 2 of the Bachchan campaign called Khushbu Gujarat Ki. Through this road show and through all of you, particularly the media, we want to not only give out the message for tourists to come in, but also potential investors to come in a big way and invest in the future potential hill station of the region. We are sure that in few years, it will be the #1 hill station in the Western India. If you have been to Saputara during monsoons, you will probably forget any other place which you would have seen in your memory. It is pristine. It is a new destination in a way that although it has been in existence, the focus and emphasis on Saputara and the development which is taking place, the infrastructure which is coming there, is going to turn around this hill station in such a manner that we will have a lot of development, a lot of influx of tourism in the years to come. Our past experience with the Bachchan campaign last year has been a tremendous growth in tourism. Places where he visited and wrote about and covered in his campaign have shown tremendous increase in the numbers. And not only increase in numbers, but a large number of hotels are coming up in those places. So investors, it is like a chicken and egg story. More tourists means more hotels, more investment, and more tourism. So that cycle is started in those places wherever last year we did the campaign. Gir and Kutch is an example. The White Ran of Kutch, which was showcased last year, has shown an increase of 4,000% in tourists as a result of the campaign and the White Ran Winter Festival. Similarly, we hope that this year's campaign is going to make a huge difference to Saputara, and we are beginning today with the initiative of our minister in showcasing the hill station to all of you here. The treasures of Saputara will be unveiled today in the presentation before you, and I would like to also mention that The road from Mumbai to Saputara is now very good. I was asking some people, it doesn't take much time to reach Saputara. A lot of people are going to Nasik for going to Shirdi when you turn right. And if you turn left, 1 hour from there is Saputara. And therefore, we also plan to target those who are going to Shirdi to also visit Saputara as a circuit destination. With this, I would like to welcome all of you, and I hope you draw information and disseminate the same and help us develop Saputara as the next big destination in the Western India. Thank you very much.